Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make street-style tomato soup using an easy method. We'll start by selecting the freshest, ripest tomatoes, which are key to that vibrant flavor. Then, we'll quickly prepare a fragrant base with common kitchen staples like onions, garlic, and a touch of ginger. Finally, we'll blend everything to a smooth consistency and simmer it to perfection, ensuring a delicious and comforting bowl every time. To begin our street-style tomato soup, heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pan over medium heat. Once warm, add 1 finely chopped onion, 2 minced cloves of garlic, and 1 inch of grated ginger. Sauté these aromatics gently, stirring occasionally until the onions turn translucent and fragrant, which usually takes around 5 minutes. This step builds the foundational flavors for our delicious soup. Now it's time for the star ingredient. Add 4 cups of chopped ripe tomatoes to the pan with the sautéed aromatics, along with 1/4 cup of water. Cover and let it simmer until the tomatoes are very soft, which should take about 10 to 12 minutes. Once cooked, carefully transfer the mixture to a blender and process until it's completely smooth. For an extra silky texture, you can strain it through a fine mesh sieve. Finally, return your smooth tomato soup to the pan and bring it to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a small pinch of sugar to enhance the tomato's natural sweetness and balance the flavors. Let it simmer for another 5 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve hot with a swirl of cream or fresh cilantro. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals, including a fantastic water bottle to keep you hydrated, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.